So now we need only one information from our electrical team regarding the MCB and ELCB. And once this point is closed, then we are through with the HAZID session. So Sajad, you are able to catch your electrical person?
No, Chairman, they are okay. He is appearing on. Let me request to join again. Just 2 minutes, Chairman.
So what we have written for that, the hot tapping means to take the tapping.
Actually, as per the field contractor, they are saying that hot tapping note, any note, there is no information available now to do the hot tapping or shutdown. So the second question was how EPC contractor is going to do the tapping. So probably in the next phase, when the EPC contractor will be appointed and they will come, they will propose either shutdown requirement or they will propose to do the online during hot tapping.
But this is, it is very high pressure, 380 bar. So with that pressure, they can do the hot tapping also. No issue.
To be honest, I do not know. So there is right now, we do not have any information, neither contractor, not we. So we should not be worried. Probably EPC contractor will be established, then company will think the approach, whether this will be done in the shutdown period or this will be done the hot tapping.
Okay.
Yeah, and right now we are not worried. No, right now we are not worried because we are in the field phase. Yeah.
So based on that, we have put here the recommendation or comments.
No, I have not put any recommendation. Or if you wish, I can take on recommendation review the provision for taking the provision for tapping in the main header option. I can put on recommendation.
Yeah, okay, this is means. So who will review this one? Means the EPC contractor.
See, for us, you and me, HAZID team, we should not be worried. Someone should do the review, the provision for taking the tape from the main header. Review the provision, review the options, right? Options to take the tapping, tapping for due point and right and yes to analyzer from the main header, from the main gas injection. Right. Review the options to take the tapping for dew point and S2S analyzer from the main gas header. So I would put initial responsibility should be the field contractor. Probably they can put into the EPC contract. Okay. So guys, I think now we have seen all the guide words for the HAZID. There is only one point we are waiting for the electrical to confirm ELCB and MCB.
Electrical is here, Chairman. We can go to that.